Okay, we're going to multiply two complex numbers, both with real parts and imaginary parts. And of course, a complex number is the form of a plus bi, a being the real part, bi being the imaginary part. B is a real number, and I is the square root of minus 1. And let's not forget that I squared equals minus 1, because once we get some I squareds in the answer, we'll need to exchange those for minus 1s. So let's look at the example 5 minus 2i multiplied by minus 2 minus 4i. Okay, and we're going to use the same distributive properties that we would in regular algebra. We're going to multiply 5 with both terms in the second bracket, and we're going to multiply the minus 2i with both terms of the second bracket. Okay, so let's do that step by step. 5 times minus 2 is minus 10, and 5 times minus 4i is minus 20i. Minus 2 times minus 2i times minus 2 is plus 4i, and minus 2i times minus 4i is plus 8i squared. Okay, so we're going to simplify this. We have minus 10. We can put these two terms together. Okay, so minus 20i plus 4i is minus 16i. And now we cannot forget that I squared equals minus 1. So we must put a minus 1 in here. So we're going to go plus 8. And we're going to put a minus 1 in here instead of the I squared. Okay. So now we're going to simplify a little bit more. We have minus 10 minus 16i. 8 times minus 1 is minus 8. Okay. And now we have like terms again. We've got minus 8 and minus 10. Minus 8 minus 10 is minus 18 minus 16i. And that is in the form a plus bi, and that is our final answer.